International Airport, where the local time is 8:27 a.m. We do apologize for the late arrival. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the captain has pulled the aircraft up to the gate and has turned off the seatbelt sign, please. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight. You may now use your cell phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Once the captain has pulled the aircraft up to the gate and has turned off the seatbelt sign, please take the time and check around your feet, your seat, your rear seat pocket, and the overhead bin. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings that you brought on board with you. At the present time, we're coming to gate B as in Bravo 24. That's B as in Bravo 24. If you're not familiar with the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, please feel free to look at your Sky magazine in the rear. You'll find a diagram of the airport. We invite you to visit our website at delta.com for all of your future travel needs, as well as managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, Sky Team, our global partners worldwide, and especially this Atlanta-based crew, it's been a pleasure serving you this morning, and we hope to see you on this or another Delta flight in the near future. Wherever your final destination may be, please travel safely, have an amazing Good Friday, and a wonderful Resurrection Weekend. Thank you again.
Alrighty. Let's unboard. Let's take her out. Take the phone out of plane mode. Man, is it wet out. Boy, handlers and directors, fuelers. Still waiting to get your bags. Okay, next thing is to disembark and head for baggage. Here. All right, disembarked and heading up there. I don't know if he'll be waiting for me or not, but we'll see. Right, now we gotta get on the train.
B33
Okay.
is like $21.90.
Ready.
B33.
I don't see him, but we gotta go. We'll head to the train. All right, we're gonna head to baggage claim. Now, everything in Atlanta is underground. We gotta go down below and get on the train. It says, head to concourse. We gotta go to A. Been here a couple of times. Too bad. Here we go. You gotta go down below. Watch your step. Not exactly hands-free. This is always fun. Okay, oops, put off of me. see. Get domestic 8. Okay, we'll get on. Get on here. Here it comes. This is fun. The concourse B. We're gonna go to A. Come on. Could walk. It's not that far, but I like riding the train. Oops, we got people coming on, coming off. Right. A lot of people coming on. All right. Get on. Be fun. As far back as we can. Hold on.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for A gates. A as in Alpha.
Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, a gateway to the world, is taking a strong stance in the fight against.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Look at T. T is the final destination. For baggage.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
Go.
The next stop is for T gates. T as in Tango. Please remain on board for domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
ATL Next construction is underway. Please use the north or south lower levels for pickup. Learn more about ATL Next at next.atl.com. And welcome to ATL.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Please remain on board for domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
Go, get off, and then go up, I believe. No, we didn't
The
want.
next stop is for domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
That's what I
ATL
want.
Next construction is
Not
underway.
two.
Please use the north or south lower levels for pickup.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Yeah, pretty sure I want a bag. End of the line, regardless. Okay, now we go back up. We gotta find a monitor and find out where baggage is. It came from the flight number. It's on your ticket. A few minutes. Yeah. Thinking 6, but maybe wrong. Wait. It's gonna jump. Oh. Just saying Southwest JetBlue. It's only United Delta. Is it on the other side? Oops. I'm not seeing what I want to see. It should show something, Delta. Why am I seeing? I don't see any Delta up there. United, Southwest. Where the hell's Delta at? Oh. Okay. That's why. These are like Southwest and other one. I gotta go to the other one. It says Delta baggage.